Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm sharing with you my Dollar Tree haul. So most of this is all fall items. My store had lots of fall items out, so I went ahead and took advantage and picked up a bunch of deco mesh to make some wreaths and some fall items. So I bought just a bunch of different colored deco mesh to make some wreaths, and stay tuned for the end of the video. I'll insert some pictures of some wreaths I've already made. So these are all the different colors that I picked up. Some are for Halloween and some are for fall wreaths. Also picked up a couple of the wreath hangers, this orange one and this brown one here. Also, they had these magnets here, these fall magnets. They just have some sayings like give thanks, thankful, blessed, gobble till you wobble, which I thought was really funny, and happy Thanksgiving. So these are magnets that you can put on your refrigerator. Then I grabbed some more fall flowers. So I also grabbed some of this mesh tube here to make with some wreaths as well. I picked up this floral wire. They didn't have like those, what are they called? The pipe cleaners. So I grabbed those 2 packs there and I hate it. I'm not using that anymore. It was like so hard to use to make the wreaths for me. So I rather use the pipe cleaners. So those are a couple of pumpkins here that have the clips on them, which are really cute. And also I picked up some ribbon, some fall ribbon. This one has like a pumpkin pattern with some glitter. Then they had some burlap leaves here, so I picked up 2 packs of those. I also grabbed some of the white deco mesh that they had, and some more of these wreaths here. And these were a couple of the Halloween items that I picked also. And here are some cute table signs. So here you're going to see a couple of wreaths that I make. I will be doing a wreath tutorial very soon, so come back and watch that if you're interested in seeing how I make my wreaths. Also, all of these wreaths are on my Etsy store, so if anybody's interested in purchasing any, I'll leave you the link to my Etsy store as well. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next video.